What's up guys, it's Josh from Blackout. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna show you what's in the shop today. We'll start with this Trd Pro Tacoma. If you're a Toyota person, you probably really love this truck. It's the Lunar Rock color, which I wanna say is new, and I'm pretty sure it's a Trd Pro specific color. We did paint protection film on the whole front end of it, including the grille surround there. We are doing a Ceramic Pro gold package on it right now. This Cadillac over here, this is a CT5, I think. So we tinted the windows on this a while ago. I want to say we did paint protection film on the front of it. Aaron did that. And now it's back for a Ceramic Pro gold package. So we polished the paint. It looks really awesome. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video how glossy that thing is, but it looks good. And this truck might look very familiar to you if you're familiar with Autovlog, the YouTube channel. Go check out his channel. We did paint protection film on the front end of this. We tinted the windows a couple of weeks ago, and we also ceramic coated the truck. So it is ready to go home. It's getting picked up today. Here's something you don't see us doing paint protection on too often, and that is a Honda Odyssey. Some of these minivans though get really crazy with technology and stuff, so they're not cheap cars by any means, and the owner of this wanted to get it protected. So we're doing the entire front end. They're just finishing up with the last piece of that now. And back here, Blake is working on a seasonal detail package on this Honda. Lots of dog hair in that one. And Tyler is currently prepping an Audi S3. This one was in an accident, so we're redoing some paint protection film over on the passenger side of the car. Outside, we've got a new Ram that we are going to be replacing the badges. So right now they're chrome. We're going to be replacing those with black badges. Got a Honda CR-V that was here for window tint, and a Mercedes GLC. This one needed heated seats in the rear of the car. It had it from the factory in the front, but we added it to the back. And this GMC was also here for window tint. That got done this morning as well. Over here, we've got a Corvette, and at this point, if it's a Corvette, there's a possibility it belongs to Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, and that is the case with this one. So this is his new C5. We're gonna be doing paint protection film on the front end of it. We're gonna be tinting the windows and doing a ceramic coating as well. This GMC was just pulled out of the tint bay a couple seconds ago. We tinted the front windows. Look at the license plate on this car. Holy cow. That makes me happy. We've got a RAV4. Marshall installed a remote start system in this morning before he went down to the other shop to install a cage prisoner containment system in the back of a police car. This Toyota Camry was in for heated seats yesterday. That is all finished up and ready to go home. And this Z71 Silverado got window tint all the way around and a visor on the windshield this morning. And last but not least, we have a beautiful rapid blue C8 Corvette. We installed window tint on it, I think that was on yesterday I guess. We installed paint protection film on it yesterday as well, and now it's next in line for a ceramic coating. We picked this up in our enclosed trailer in Pittsburgh, and we're taking it back in that trailer as well. So if you have a car sitting in your garage that you're not driving right now, it's the perfect time to get paint protection film or a ceramic coating or window tint done. So give us a call, we can pick it up for you. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel on YouTube, please do that. We show all kinds of behind the scenes stuff on there, and we'll see you next week.